Hello, today we are changing the oil and filter in a 2012 Buick LaCrosse. Let's get started. So I got a Castrol 5W30. This car takes 6 quarts and I got a STP oil filter. This is a high miles. This car has 95,000 miles and so we're gonna get started. First thing, make sure you secure your jack. Make sure you're on a flat surface. You want to secure right here on the frame and always have an extra safety for you to be able to work under the car. So you want to locate where the oil filter is and also the oil pan on the bottom of the engine. You got to get under the car. This is the oil pan. If you can see on the corner, that's where the bolt is. You need to lose that bolt. And make sure put a pan on the underneath of it so you can drain the oil. So this car takes a 50 millimeters socket in range, and you got your oil filter tool. I'm fixing to take the bolt out. Kind of lose the bolt there, so we're gonna unscrew it. Try to take it out. So I got the ratchet place, lose the bolt there, and just little by little, take it off, and just let the oil drain. Sometimes you got to be a little careful. Just take your time. We're gonna proceed to remove the oil filter, and for that you're gonna need your tool. Just a little ratchet, and I usually put something underneath because there was going to be a little bit of drip coming out of the once you start losing the oil filter. Okay, just make sure to do a couple of turns with the tool, and they'll be set. Now, kind of secure, tight. You don't have to get it too tight, but make sure that it's secure and it's not gonna be leaking. Okay, so now you just go ahead and open open here. This is where you pour your oil, and it's gonna take 6 quarts of oil. I already tied the bolt underneath the oil pan, and so all we have to do is just pour new oil in there. Let's go ahead and do that. Here's the oil we're about to put in. I will just always use a little funnel. It's always easier like that, and just start pouring your oil. Just take your time, and it takes 6 quarts all the way. And we are going to now reset the change oil light. Just press on this little button right here, and using these arrows, go until you find. Gotta set the oil. Hold on a second. Go to the menu and vehicle information and go to oil. That's battery oil, and then press the button. And you want to reset it, say yes. Please the button again right here, and reset it at 100%. So that's all you gotta do. Just click on that, and we're done.